Hi boys and girls, today we're going to go through and solve problem set 14 and 15. It's a combination of one. What we're doing is we're comparing fractions, but you'll see that they wrote them in a different form than we normally see. It's unit form. So what I want you to do first is we need to convert them. So I want to put them in standard form where we have 1/4 compared to 1/5. Now, a strategy that we have first is we can simply draw a model. So we can draw one whole, and I'm going to split it in half. So then I'm going to draw 1/4, and I'm going to draw 1/5. If I have fourths, I'm going to break it up so there's 4 equal pieces, and I'll color in 1/4. If I'm breaking it up into fifths, that means I'm going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to break it up and color in 1 out of the 5. And then we can see that 1/4 is bigger than 1/5, and the alligator eats the bigger number. Another strategy we learned to compare is we could cross multiply. And we could see that 1/4 is bigger than 1/5 because it's worth 5, and 1/5 is worth 4, again telling us that 1/4 is greater than. What I'm going to have you do is I'm going to pause my video. I want you to pause yours as well and go through and solve these 3, B, C, and D, and then we'll come back and check. Go ahead. If you take a closer look here, guys, we had greater than 3/4 is greater than 3/5, 1/10 is greater than 1/12. 7/10 is greater than 7/12. What we're going to do now is we're going to compare, and it asks for us to explain our thinking using words, pictures, or numbers. So basically, if you show your work, you can also figure it out as well. So we have 3/5 compared to 3/4. So if you, sorry guys, so if you go through, okay, so as I was saying, if you want to draw a picture and do it, if you want to do cross multiplying, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, color in 3/5 of it. We also have 3/4, so we're going to color in 3 out of 4. We could cross multiply, but either way we can see either with the picture or cross multiplying that 3/4 is greater than. So you can explain this by just showing the picture really, or showing your work. Our next one, if you notice, it's an improper fraction, meaning that it's bigger than 1 whole. We have 7/3 and 7/4. So when we draw these, we're really going to break them up into 2 parts. So we have 1 whole here. So this would be like 0, 1, and 2 if it was a number line. And this first one right here would be 3/3. Then we have another set of thirds because we need to color in 7/3. Oh, that wasn't a straight line, sorry. So 0, 1, 2, 3. We've colored in 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, 4/3, 5/3, 6/3. I got to color in 1 more third. So that's 7/3. Now we're going to color in 7/4, meaning I'm going to break these parts into fourths. So first I break it in half, and then I'm going to color, well, I'll do them all, I guess. And now I'm going to color in 7/4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Maybe I should have used a different color so it was easier to see. But it's clear that 2 1/3 or 7/3 is greater than 7/4. So we would do 7/3 is greater than 7/4. So I know that by using the picture model. You could also have converted them and then compared them as mixed numbers. What I want you to do is I want you to try a few on your own and then check back with me. Let me give you a few. Let's do A. We'll do B. And then we'll do, I think this is number 1. I don't know what that is. Maybe it's supposed to be a D and it's a typo. So try those 3. You can either do cross multiplying or the area model, and then check back with me, okay? Here we go, boys and girls. So if you went through and compared these fractions, you saw that we had greater than, and less than, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to switch to the homework set. And I want you to pick, I'm going to circle them, so circle them as we go. This is the homework page. I want you to do 1A, 1D. We'll do A, C. Go ahead and make sure you send those in to me and then check out the exit ticket. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for trying the different strategies.